For months, I was waking up just as exhausted as when I went to bed. I was trapped in a cycle of brain fog, zero energy, and just feeling off. It felt like my body was running on fumes. I was sick of being tired, so I did something about it. I found LiveGood's Chlorophyll and Zeolite Detox, and for the next 30 days, I put it to the test. Can this little bottle really help flush out the junk and get my energy back? Let's find out. To give you a baseline, my energy was a 3 out of 10. I needed coffee to survive, my focus was shot, and my digestion was a mess. I was already eating well and exercising, but nothing seemed to help. That's when I learned about the product's 2 key ingredients: chlorophyll, a great antioxidant, and zeolite, a volcanic mineral thought to trap heavy metals. The science on oral zeolite is still emerging, so I went in with some healthy skepticism. My plan was simple: take the drops for 30 days without changing anything else and see what happens. The first week was interesting. For the first few days, I had a mild headache and some fatigue, what some call a healing crisis. I just drank tons of water, and it passed. By day 15, the halfway point, things got real. The biggest change was my digestion. It became incredibly regular. My energy jumped from 3 out of 10 to a solid 6, and I wasn't hitting that 2 p.m. wall anymore. I know the placebo effect is a thing, but these changes felt significant. The final 2 weeks just built on that momentum. My energy climbed even higher, to a 7 or even an 8 on good days. I was waking up on weekends feeling rested. But the most amazing change was my mental clarity. The constant brain fog just lifted. It was like background static had finally been turned off. My skin also looked clearer and brighter than it had in months, and the whole process stayed super gentle. So, after 30 days, did it work? My answer is yes. My energy is now a consistent 8 out of 10. I wake up rested, my digestion is the best it's been in years, and that brain fog is gone. My final verdict on LiveGood's Detox. The pros are real results. It's gentle and affordable. The cons? The grass taste isn't for everyone, and the science for oral zeolite is still developing. It isn't magic, but a great tool to support your body's natural cleansing process. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you're feeling drained and foggy, I think it's worth a try. If any of this sounds familiar, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below and share what you've been through trying to get your energy back. If you liked this honest review, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new remedy, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or managing a health condition. Check the description to discover how to receive a free bottle with any order. LiveGood's Chlorophyll and Zeolite Detox Multivitamin is here to support your natural detox journey. It helps boost your energy, promotes clearer skin, and enhances your immune function naturally. Ready to feel the difference? Click now and don't miss out on your gift.